Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to check out how to create the levels manually. If you are interested to create a level by using a dynamo, please leave the comment. I will create a video for you how to create the levels in the dynamo. Now, we will start the video. Go in a model, new, select a template. I will select the architectural template. Create a new project. OK. In every kind of template, there are predefined levels. If you go on in any elevation, you could able to see there are two predefined levels are there, level 1 and level 2. If you want to create a level 3 and level 3 should be at 20 feet elevation, we have to go to architectural tab, datum, then level. We have to draw a level at 20 feet elevation. If you want to move this level at 30 feet elevation, we have two options. Either enter the value, other move the level. First, we will check how to move the level. We have to select the level, give the move command, which is present in a modified tab. We will select the level by any point and we will move it by 10 feet because to reaching the 30 feet, we have to add the 10 feet. Now our level 3 is at 30 feet elevation. Now we will see the second method. If we want to move this level at 20 feet back, then we will just select the level and double click the elevation count. Here you have to add 20 feet, then enter. It will move to the 20 feet elevation. This is how we will create the levels. Now, one tip for you guys, make sure your all levels and grids should be in a separate worksheet and not forget to pin it. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much and watch my channel for such more informative videos.